So that brings us to the first derivative test, and in the first derivative test we need to let c be a critical number of the function of f that is continuous on an open interval I containing this point c. If f is differentiable on I except possibly at c, then f of c can be classified as follows. So if f prime of x changes from a negative to a positive at c, then f of c is a relative minimum of f. If f prime of x goes from positive to negative at c, then f of c is at a relative maximum at c. And so now that we know that, we want to kind of describe functions that go from positive to positive. And so when that happens, that's called strictly monotonic. So basically, it is always going to be decreasing or always going to be increasing pretty much for the entire interval. The better way to describe it is that it's either never increasing or it's never decreasing. So this example right here, f of x equals x cubed. Well, if I take the derivative of this, I'm going to get 3x squared. So what this means is that no matter what I put in for here, I'm going to get one point where it's 0, and that's at 0. Otherwise, everything is increasing. So if I drew my number line and wrote 0 there, I would plug in a value and get positive and positive, which means that I'm going to get some type of a function that'll look like this, levels off for just a second, and then it keeps going up positive. So, graph of x cubed is going to look something like this, right? And if I graphed f prime of x, it would be looking something like that, always in that positive realm except for at that point where it is 0.